Hi guys, my name's Genesis and I'm going to show you how to make Bolognese sauce. The ingredients that are needed are chopped onions and carrots, Parmesan cheese, spices, butter, sugar, and pasta sauce. Step 1, saute carrots and the onions in the butter. Now you add your ground beef. Now we add spices. Parsley, garlic salt, basil, red pepper, garlic, oregano, and black pepper. Make sure you chop it up fine. Now it's time to add the sauce. Make sure you add sugar to cut the acid from the tomatoes. Make sure you add the Parmesan cheese. Last but not least, add some butter. After your sauce simmers over 45 minutes, you ladle it over your cooked pasta. Now toss your sauce with your pasta. After serving, ladle more on top. Don't forget the cheese.
Yeah, more cheese.
Okay. Thank you.
No. Oh, yeah. Cheese. Excuse me. Oh, yeah. Do I have something on my face?
Oh my god.
What?